Hi everyone, my name is Ross Bagurdes and welcome to my course, Introduction to Dynamic Routing. I'm a network engineer with more than 20 years experience building and managing enterprise networks and teaching people about them. One of the most fundamental roles of a network engineer is to make sure packets can successfully pass through the network. And dynamic routing protocols are invaluable in providing the mechanism to create routing tables throughout an internetwork to provide the best path for a packet to travel, as well as self-heal the network when incidents occur. Some of the major topics that we'll cover include the basics of dynamic routing, the implementation of Routing Information Protocol or RIP, understanding how to implement a single area OSPF network. We're also going to examine how OSPF routers behave in a broadcast network. And last, we'll look at how EIGRP operates and configure it. By the end of this course, you'll be able to implement the OSPF or EIGRP routing protocols to allow your network to dynamically exchange routing information and create a redundant network. Before beginning this course, you should be familiar with subnetting, configuring a Cisco router, and static routing. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn dynamic routing with the Introduction to Dynamic Routing course at Pluralsight.